In this vlog, we explore deep sky astrophotography from light-polluted skies. Welcome to City Astro Vlog. In the last vlog, we captured Messier 33, the spiral galaxy in the triangle-shaped constellation Triangulum, earning it the nickname the Triangulum Galaxy. If you haven't watched it yet, click on the link above. Today, we're viewing NGC7538, the Northern Lagoon Nebula. NGC7538 is an active star factory with a total mass of almost 400,000 suns, a region where massive stars more than 8 times the mass of our Sun are currently forming. It is crowded with young stellar objects and protostars. This nebula is notable for hosting one of the largest and most massive protostars discovered so far in the Milky Way, designated NGC7538S. This protostar is embedded in a collapsing core with a rotating accretion disk and is roughly 300 times the size of our solar system. The nebula is located in the Perseus Arm of the Milky Way and is near the more famous Bubble Nebula, NGC7638. Due to its dusty nature, the region is typically studied using infrared and radio wavelengths. NGC7538 provides a crucial laboratory for professional astronomers to study the formation of high-mass stars, a process that is not yet fully understood. In the northern hemisphere, Cepheus is circumpolar and generally visible year-round, with the best viewing season in the autumn months when it is high in the evening sky. With the Seestar, it is easier to view this object. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share this video. To know more about deep sky objects, click on the video links displayed on screen. Click the notification icon to get updates on the new video released, and let us explore the universe together.